I'm gonna do it again. Hate going home with batteries that need to be discharged. So therefore, love the little guys that you don't really give a crap if you whack them. And now I got the wind on my back. And it's so damn smoky. Like, I mean, it's smoky. I think you can see that in the distance. And turbulent. And since my eyes are burning, so funny story, guy saw me flying this down here, said that's cool, and the very next, 2 weeks later, he came down with one of the E-flite Learjets. Learjet? Cessnas? Whatever. Anyways, he came down with one of those and said, look, I got one too. And then he had a closer look because I had it on the hood of my car. He says, wait a minute. The jig was up. I think he was a little bit bemused at what he paid for his and what I paid for mine. Kind of jealous of his ducted fans though. And his is a little screamer. It actually flew really well. Apparently it went in, but that's besides the point. It flew really well when I saw it. And it's a beautiful little jet. Okay. But don't. That is all. It's a chopper in the air.